I'm in US and I woke up to a really bad news about an attack on a Dalit leader, Mr. Airport Murthy, who was very vocal about Dalit issues in Tamil Nadu, who has been critical of the betrayals of VCK in a very politically critical manner, and he was attacked allegedly by VCK supporters, cadres near the DGP office, just outside the DGP office in Chennai. So this is a very bad thing which is happening, because I've been monitoring this issue as a human rights activist. As a Dalit activist, I've been monitoring this issue on the alleged, attacks on people who criticize VCK, because I've been getting threats, death threats, rape threats from VCK supporters online, which I've been constantly posting. And then Arul Muthukumaran, a Dalit scholar, a very passively active Dalit scholar, a very decent guy, was threatened by one of VCK MLA's men. And then last month near Madurai, Tamil Muthalvan, Dalit activist, was a very, very, very recent man, was also beaten up by a VCK functionary, Pavalan. And now Airport Murthy has been attacked. And they've been saying that online that he will be attacked. Well, I literally don't care about what they say to me, but we all Dalit, activists, and human rights defenders are very strong. We are in solidarity with Airport Murthy Anna, and we seek support from all the other parties and people across Tamil Nadu and India and globally. And VCK has crossing its limits of threatening people. They've been slut-shaming me, character assassinating me, bringing my family into picture, and now they've been attacking another leader just outside the DGP office. And this is not happening. This is not happening. This reminds me of the book written by Manavar Kanshiramji, Chamchagiri. So you are a chamcha, be a chamcha. But don't ask us to be a chamcha. Don't threaten us to be slaves of DMK or slaves of dominant caste parties. This is not happening. Dalits turning against Dalits has been a long time issue which has been happening in India. It's okay, we can understand. But you do not have any rights to attack us. We have freedom of speech. We have freedom of political criticism. Decently, we've been doing it. If you have any issues with it, you have to deal it lawfully. Go to the police station, go to the court, do things like that. But attacking people is not acceptable. So I request CMO Tamil Nadu to take action on his own coalition party, VCK. I know he will not do anything, but still it's my lawful request. And I've been raising this issue on Dalit activists and human rights defenders and journalists by VCK, by DMK, or any right-wing party in the US. I've been doing it to many US agencies. So I've been bringing this to notice, and while I'm here doing that, things like attacking Dalit leaders happening in Chennai, this is very wrong. We have to be reminded that Armstrong Anna lost his life to one such attack. So we cannot let another person succumb to such things. We are very brave, not just Airport Murthy Anna, even I am very brave. We will face it legally, we will face it with full moral strength. But one thing to VCK, we will never vote you, and we will see that in 2022 elections, you will lose your votes. That's it. Thank you, and Jai Bhim.